Today's Law and You, we're going to talk about a question involving injury on the job. Joining us as always are attorneys Greg Felleman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, it's a pleasure to see you today.
Oh, it's great to be here, Dave.
All right, this one is from David in Carbondale. Here is our question. I work for a temp agency who was injured at the place they sent me to. Can I sue the factory they sent me to? Is this a question here of liability of the temp agency, the factory, or both?
Well, first of all, David, this is something that we're seeing more and more often because temp agencies are very prevalent. In fact, some factories actually have temp agencies on site. So the answer is you may be able to sue the factory where you were injured at, depending on if you fit into a number of different factors. The law is very, very specific and it's very technical in this particular area. Get yourself to somebody who's handled these cases. We actually have this case going on in our office right now, and we're fighting so that we can get compensation for this young man who was injured at a factory while working, as a temp. I'm going to let Greg talk about the workers' compensation end of it, but to answer your question, you may be able to sue.
And with regard to the specific work injury, you can obviously open a workers' compensation claim, and the temp agency would be the employer in that situation, so your claim would run directly to the temp agency to look for your lost wages and your medical bills, which is, at this point, is the most important thing, just to keep, the roof over your head. So that's where your comp case lays.
Right, if you were injured on the job and need legal assistance, how can our viewers get in contact with you?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT, or they can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Go to our Facebook page. If you like us on our Facebook page, post a question, and we'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
All right, Results Matter with attorneys Greg Felleman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks so much.
Thank you.
We'll answer your question on the show. Just visit PAHomepage.com or give us a call on the hotline.